Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to the video presentation. We can start like our topic is optimizing compliance, the role of knowledge and support system. Here we can talk about our different role and knowledge and support system. My name is Sahil Kumar and my student ID is MVS3001. Here you can see like first slide. Here some extract. We can talk about background, problem and issue, research gap, how to fill research gap, summary of method use and results. So our group member are talk about that the different topic, and we can start like uh, introduction. So here the first slide, the introduction and the abstract. So today presentation focus on optimizing compliance through integration of knowledge and support system. We will explore how this element interplay to enhance compliance behavior and safeguard data. uh, the second, we can move like the introduction. So we can talk about the introduction. uh, there is a few points in the introduction. We can see that the importance of compliance, role of compliance knowledge, role of compliance support system. Compliance is a crucial for ensuring the data is protected and legal regulation are there too. Employees need to have a solid understanding of security policies and regulation, which is where compliance of security policies and regulation, which is where compliance knowledge comes in. Equally important are compliance support system, tools and resources designed to help employee meet compliance requirement effectively. We can talk about like problem and issue, what we problem and issue face and what we have to challenges and what is the impact of the challenges and problem in this situation. We can talk about that. Organizations struggle to achieve high compliance rate due to gaps in knowledge and the efficiency of existing support system. These challenges leads to the increased risk of security breach, legal penalties, and the potential financial losses. Addressing this issue is initial for better compliance and risk management. Now the other point discussed by our like my group member, Kajal Patel.
Thank you, Sahil. Hello, everyone. My name is Kajal Patel, and my student ID is MVS3012. One of my group member explain and give an introduction about four topics, and now I am going to introduce identify research gap. Here, there are two topic involved: previous research and gap. Previous research has typically focused on either compliance knowledge or support system independently. There is a notable gap in comprehensive studies that integrate both factors to assess their combined effect on compliance behavior. Our research aimed to fill this gap by evaluating how these elements work together to influence compliances. Sahil, please, next slide. Uh, in this slide, we are discussing about the contribution of the paper. Here, two topic involved: integrated analysis and insights. This paper provide an integrated analysis of a compliance knowledge and support system by evaluating their combined effect on compliance behavior. We offer new insights and also empirical evidence on how these factors directly and indirectly influence compliance. Our findings contribute to a more understanding of compliance dynamic. In the next slides, uh, we discuss about literature review in a compliance knowledge. In this, we introduce the definition, importance, and previous finding also. The compliance knowledge refer to employees' understanding and application of security policy and regulations. It is critical for ensuring that compliance requirements are met. Previous studies show that greater compliance knowledge leads to better compliance behavior, emphasizing its importance. In the next slides, uh, I'm going to explain literature review compliance support system. In this, We introduce definition, function, and also previous findings. The compliance support system includes tools and resources designed to facilitate adherence to compliance requirements. This system play a vital role in making compliance easier and more efficient. Research indicate that effect support system are positively correlated with a higher compliance rate. The rest topic explained by my other group member. Thank you.
Thank you, Kajal. Hello, everyone. My name is Priyal Patel. My ID is AZZ37460. Now I am discuss about the previous research. The research to date has generally examined the compliance and knowledge and the support system separately. There is a lack of the comprehensive study that the combine this factor to assess their joint effect on the compliance behavior. Our study aimed to bridge this gap by integrating these elements into our analysis. Next slide, please. In this slide, the conceptual framework. Our conceptual framework integrates the knowledge management theory and the compliance behavior theory. This model illustrates the relationship between the compliance knowledge support system and the compliance behavior. We hypothesize that the compliance knowledge medicates the effect of the support system on the compliance behavior and that the both factors have the direct effect on the compliance behavior. Next slide, please. In this slides, the data collection. We collect the data through the service administrator to the employee across the multiple organization. We measure the compliance knowledge, the effectiveness of the compliance support system, and the others to information security practices. This approach allows us to comprehensively assess the influence on the compliance's behavior. The next slide. In this size, the methodology data analysis. In this one, we employed the regression analysis to evaluate the direct effect of the compliance knowledge and the support system of the compliance behavior. The medication analysis was used to examine how the compliance knowledge medicates the effect of the support system. Our goal was to understand how this element influence the compliance behavior both the individually and interactively. Thank you. Now I will call my another group member, the Tarun Patel.
Thank you, Priya. I'm Tarun Patel and my student ID is MVS 3013. Here I'm going to talk about the findings of compliance knowledge, and I'm going to talk about 3 points that is impact, meditation, and implication. So our findings reveal that a compliance knowledge has a significant positive effect on compliance behavior. Furthermore, compliance knowledge mediate the relationship between compliance support system and compliance behavior. This underscores the impact of enhancing compliance knowledge to improve compliance practices. So in the next slide, which is slide number 15, in which I'm going to talk about the findings compliance support system, where is 3 topics are covered: impact, interrogation, and implication. So effective compliance support system have a direct positive effect on compliance behavior. Moreover, this system enhance the effect of compliance knowledge on behavior, and investigating in robust support system is crucial for fostering better compliance practices. So the last slide, which is the conclusion, in which I summarize the topics and recommendation and future directions. So in conclusion, both compliance knowledge and support system significantly impact compliance behavior to enhance compliance practices. Organizations should focus on improving compliance knowledge through training and invest in effective support system. Further research should explore additional factors influencing compliance behavior and validate our findings in various extents. So the last slide is a references which we have used for make this presentation. So thank you so much for today.